So we're 5 or 6 months, right? We
Yep.
we don't
Just
know,
about.
we don't know exactly.
Right.
Somewhere in there after your rhinoplasty. And how's life?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Really good. No regrets. Love it.
Okay.
I look at it often.
So I didn't know this, but you used to have a high maintenance nose,
Yes.
and now you have a low maintenance nose?
Yes.
Okay.
I used to do Flonase, take 2 pills, singular and Zyrtec, and now I just take singular.
Okay. Easy.
It's perfect.
All right. It's functional.
Yep. very
Breathing
much so.
well.
Mhm.
Good. You like the look?
I do. I love it.
Do you miss your old nose?
No.
So I asked Tyler earlier, do you remember what it is like to breathe through your old nose? She's like, nope.
Nope.
I don't remember.
Nope.
But this is the new nose. Now it goes everywhere with you. Every
Sure
outfit.
does. Yep.
Every season.
Fixes everything.
Have you traveled with this new nose yet?
I have. I've gone to the beach.
Sweet.
Yeah.
And it did just fine there.
Yep. Sure did. Sunglasses and all.
Good. Well, okay. Now that you're like half a year out, you're like super into this process. What would you tell Tyler or another human like Tyler who's like, a year from this, who's like, I don't know if I should do it. It's really scary.
Probably it only gets better.
Okay.
I mean, it starts a little swollen and then it just keeps getting smaller and smaller, and it's just, it gets better and better.
Was your recovery tough?
No.
It was pretty easy?
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. Look down. Let's see the dorsal aesthetic lines. Perfect. And then do a little quick one this way. She's an awesome model. She does this all the time.
Don't follow directions very well.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
That's all right. And then the other way. Perfect. And then you can look to us. Look at you.
With the face.
Look at you. And then go this way. Perfect. Okay. We'll see you in a couple months for your 1 year.
Can't wait.